China has just made a bold statement on the global stage by unveiling its complete nuclear triad for the very first time during a grand military parade. But here's where it gets controversial. This display not only included a new air-launched ballistic missile, ALBM, but also introduced two brand-new intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, adding to the previously revealed submarine-launched ballistic missile, SLBM. This marks a significant milestone in China's strategic military capabilities, signaling a major leap in its nuclear deterrence posture. The event, held in Beijing's iconic Tiananmen Square, was more than just a show of force. It commemorated the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, blending historical remembrance with a clear message of modern military strength. Alongside the nuclear weapons, the parade showcased a wide array of advanced missiles, drones, counter-unmanned aircraft systems, CUAS vehicles, and carrier-based airborne early warning aircraft, highlighting China's growing technological sophistication in various domains of warfare. Chinese President Xi Jinping personally oversaw the parade, which was attended by several prominent world leaders, including Russian President Vladimir Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. Both were seated prominently beside Xi, underscoring the geopolitical significance of the event and hinting at the strategic alliances China is fostering. The parade's headline grabbers were undoubtedly the three new nuclear-capable missiles. Among them were two road-mobile ICBMs, known as the DF-31BJ and DF-61, both mounted on 8-axle wheeled transporter erector launcher (TEL) vehicles. While detailed information about these systems remains scarce, experts believe the DF-31BJ is an upgraded version of the DF-31AG ICBM, which itself was first revealed in a 2017 military parade. The mobility of these missiles on TELs enhances their survivability and makes them harder to detect, a critical factor in modern nuclear strategy. Another highlight was the debut of the JL-1 ALBM, expected to be deployed on the People's Liberation Army Air Force's fleet of Xi'an H-6N bombers. This missile joins the YJ-21 anti-ship ALBM in China's growing arsenal of air-launched ballistic weapons, expanding the PLA's ability to strike targets at long range from the air. The parade also introduced several conventional missile systems, including the YJ-17, YJ-19, and YJ-20 hypersonic anti-ship missiles. Hypersonic weapons, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding 5 times the speed of sound, are particularly challenging to intercept, making their deployment a game-changer in naval warfare. Land-based hypersonic missiles were also on display, such as the DF-26D, a variant of the DF-26 intermediate-range ballistic missile family, which already includes versions designed for both land attack and anti-ship roles. One of the more intriguing new systems was the HQ-29 missile system, seen for the first time mounted on a 6-axle TEL with 2 missile canisters. Officially described as part of the PLA's multi-layered air defense network. Its large size suggests it might serve a dual purpose as an anti-satellite interceptor capable of mid-course ballistic missile defense. This is particularly noteworthy because China has demonstrated anti-satellite capabilities since 2007, and a system combining satellite interception with missile defense, similar to the U.S. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, would represent a significant technological leap, potentially shifting the balance in space and missile defense. The parade also highlighted specialized counter-UAS, CUAS systems designed to combat the growing threat of drone swarms. One such system featured a turret equipped with an autocannon and 2 banks of 12 missile canisters mounted on a 6x6 truck. This setup resembles the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC, FK-3000 system showcased at the 2022 Zhuhai Air Show. Although the FK-3000 carried a larger number of smaller missile canisters, 48 per bank, totaling 96 interceptors, This high interceptor count suggests a robust capacity to defend against multiple incoming drones simultaneously, especially when combined with the rapid-fire autocannon. Additional CUAS technologies on display included a microwave weapon and a vehicle-mounted laser system, both designed to neutralize drones through non-kinetic means. Another standout laser weapon was the Shippoint LY-1 high-energy laser system, previously spotted on an amphibious assault ship. This system is believed to be in a trial phase but points to China's growing interest in directed energy weapons for naval defense. This parade was not just a routine military showcase. It was a clear signal of China's rapidly advancing military technology and strategic ambitions. But here's the part most people miss. The implications of these developments extend far beyond regional security. How will the introduction of such advanced nuclear and missile systems affect global arms control efforts? Could this trigger a new arms race, or will it push other nations to pursue similar capabilities? And what does this mean for the delicate balance of power in space and missile defense? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see China's military advancements as a necessary step for national defense, or do they raise serious concerns about global stability? Share your views and join the conversation below.